I hope everyone had a great weekend. We're going to blend that out. And I'm just going to take a nude color. I'm going to use Slippery. You know, I forgot to just put my hair on. But it's cool because I'm not going to put no makeup up there yet. So. I'm going to blend it. Out. And then I'm going to take a clean brush and blend that out. Then I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. I'm not going to do like a long wing eyeliner because I don't want it to be a drastic look. So I'm just going to just draw a little bit. Okay. Hello, Japan. Thank you guys for tuning in. Well, hello from Japan, I'm sorry. If you guys just coming in, please tap on that screen, show your girl some love, and also share my live. So now I'm going to use my I Envy lashes, and I'm going to apply them. And I'm going to use my favorite lash glue. So I'm just going to go around the rim. Oh, okay. How do you like it so far? Are you getting used to it? Understanding another language? Doing that. Are you understanding English now since you're taking classes for it? you guys. And now I'm going to spray with my favorite Prime Grip Spray by e.l.f. So I'm just going to do this side. And I'm going to use my new foundation stick / contour. I'm just going to apply it here. And then I'm going to use my lighter concealer tan. I think it's called tan. Yes, tan. And I'm going to apply it here. Make sure I'm screen. Thank you. This is it here. It's by I Envy, and it's called Melting Jelly Lip Balm. So this is it. If you guys want to know which one I'm using, so you go on IvyUSA.com. They have all different variety of colors, so I've only picked 4 so far. So I'm gonna go back in. I'm going to use the color brown, a darker brown, and I'm going to apply towards the end. If you guys just coming on to my live, please tap on that screen and show your girl some love and share my live. I'm going to use Slippery. If you guys can see it. Sorry if you can't. I'm trying. I'm going to use this color here. I'm going to apply it in the inner corner. And I'm going to take a clean brush and blend it. And that's it. Very simple. And then I'm going to take some concealer. Well, no, I'm sorry. Moving too fast. I'm going to use Ruby Kisses. And I can tack this good. Oh, really? Okay. So I'm going to go like this. So I'm not going to make it too drastic. And I'm going to use my stick again. The USA, United States. I'm going to use my lighter tone of concealer. I'm going to apply it here. And I'm going to use a darker tone of concealer. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. spray again. Make it too drastic. And I'm going to use my stick again. The USA, United States. I'm going to use my lighter tone of concealer. I'm going to apply it here. And I'm going to use a darker tone of concealer. And then I'm going to use my F spray again. Yes, the United States. Let that dry. And then I found another trick I can do is I can spray this on my brush. Just a little. And then I'm just going to blend it out. And see how easy that it blended out. I'm going to go around the mouth area and blend as well. So you guys see the difference. And I'm going to use a dark brown eyeliner. Well, you should come. Thank you. So I let this dry a little bit. And now I'm just going to do the same exact technique that I did on the opposite side of my eye. And I'm going to spray just a little on the brush, and I'm just going to blend it in. And it just melts in the skin. And it just looks very natural. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and get my hair together. So I'm going to show you guys that. I'm going to use my favorite even spray. So it's going to get sticky. I'm going to go ahead and apply my unit on. And I'm going to tie it down. Hold on one second, guys. Yep. So I got my scarf. And I'm going to tie it down. Oh, thank you. Is it my you? Thank you. Thank you for showing me so much love all the way from Japan. Thank you. Okay, so we got this baby on. Ready, so I'm going to go back in with my dark brown eyeliner. I'm just going to let that sit for about 5 minutes. Because the lace is not all the way around. It's like in the center and it just comes right in here. So in an hour, my interview starts and I'm nervous. So is it any thing you guys can tell me about my interview? Give me some pointers. This is really kind of like my first interview. Because a lot of people just, with my current job, they just hired me off the spot. They just asked how I did customer service before and all that. So I told them yes, and that was it. Am I going to work now? I want to go to work to 1 o'clock. But I have an interview. I I have an interview at 10, so I'm so nervous. So we're going to be on Zoom, and yes, so I got to get that together as well. I just get like really, really nervous. And everybody's like, you shouldn't get nervous. You're going to be fine. I'm going to put some glue on top. So this is it. This is going to be my natural base look. I hope you guys like it. It's very simple and easy. Now, if you guys do not have this e.l.f. primer that's in a green bottle, I highly recommend, because it do grip your makeup. And then look at my skin tone, like look how smooth. Now the other ones that I use, it don't give me that smoothness or that moisture, but this one here it does. And I think it's like $11. It used to be $7, but it's $11, but it's still affordable.